So I haven't stopped caring about health. I've just decided to focus on something different right now because I'm at a point where I want to build a completely new skill properly and see how far I can actually take it. So over the past 6 months, I've been focusing on low carb, intermittent fasting, recipes, health resets, and I'll still dip into that, but I actually enjoy it because the quick recipe bits, I really enjoy those. But I realised something really important. I don't want my main focus to be just on maintaining a lifestyle for this channel. I want my main focus to be building something new, something that stretches me. Because there's a difference between doing things that keep you well and doing something that actually changes your trajectory. And right now, I'm kind of much more focused on the second one, and I have been for the past 5 months. So, what I'd like to know is, can you learn a completely new skill later in life and actually get quite good at it? Not casually, but properly focusing in on it. And for me, that skill that I am trying to learn is trading. And before anyone jumps to any conclusions, this isn't about quick money, it's not about hype. Actually, it's really the opposite. Because over the past 5 months of learning, I can tell you it's difficult, it's uncomfortable, it focuses you to think and behave very differently, which is exactly why I'm interested in it, because it's not just about trading. It's all about just developing a different skill set. Decision making, it's really about discipline, it's about handling pressure, and it's about learning from mistakes quickly. It's about the real work that I want to focus in on. And yeah, I remember when I first started on this journey, there was lots of talk around it really will show you your personality, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and it's certainly done that. And I'm not here to teach trading. I'm not here to give signals, and I'm definitely not here pretending that I've cracked anything. I'm very much at the learning stage, at the beginning learning stage, and I think that's actually the most useful stage to show because it's honest, it's going to be transparent, like every other video that I've done up until now. So the channel is shifting, not away from health completely because that's still part of my life, but towards something bigger. Documenting what it actually takes to build a new skill and build a new direction later in life. And that will definitely include the mistakes, the mindset shifts, the systems that I build, and the reality of sticking with something hard. Not the polished version, it'll be very much the real version. There's this idea that by a certain age you should already have figured things out, and should be doing the same of the same. And I've never agreed with that. I think you can decide at any point to learn something new, change direction, build a different future, but only if you're willing to go through the uncomfortable part of being a beginner again. And that's what I've never had a problem with, and what I'm doing right now. 5 months into this journey is really, gosh, it feels such a long time in such a short time all at once. Um, I'm so excited to be creating this series of videos to kind of talk through what that's been like and what it is like. So going forward, this is going to be really simple. I'm going to upload one. I'm going to make one video a week. No noise, just what I'm learning, what I'm getting wrong, and what's actually helping me to improve. And occasionally there might be a recipe because I'm not ready to give those up completely. And if you're also at a point where you want to build something new or prove to yourself that you still can, you'll probably relate to this, not because of trading necessarily, but because of the process. And that's what this channel is about now.